Lady's finger. Lady's finger is the favorite of many. They are loaded with vitamins and make very tasty dishes. They are light green in color and are ribbed. They are filled with seeds which could be eaten. The lady's finger could be fried or made into curries.
I'm thin and long and slender, I am a lady's finger. Would you remember to have me for your dinner? Mama makes me tasty to see you eat your food. I'm filled with tons and tons of vitamins so good. I'm thin and long and slender, I am a lady's finger.